Unfortunately, this week, Sir Onster's not going to be able to be here for the making of this video. He kind of asked me to take over this week. And so
it's gonna take a little more than that to make me miss a week, big guy. Let's go. Inside this box are the upgrades necessary to make this new P51 Ranger into this P51 Ranger. They're both, I consider, invisible bikes, except this is now 72 volt battery, 5,000 watt motor. We're actually pushing 7,000 through it. We got the BAC 2000 controller right under here. Parker Pittman.
good.
OG stunner on these bikes. Fully built, full suspension P51 Ace. Jim needs no introduction. So their smallest, cheapest bike, but again, fully built out with the powertrain. And I am on the new hardtail P51 Ranger. It's the most powerful kit you can buy. It doesn't get any faster than this for an invisible bike unless you do it yourself somehow. My first time, I'm gonna turn it on here. I requested the full twist throttle, no thumb throttle nonsense. Turn my power up here. The best thing about these types of bikes is you can just ride it anywhere. And we're on the sidewalk right now. I don't think it's the end of the world. No one's gonna look at you some type of way. It's actually more fun riding this way because you're not nervous the whole time about getting in trouble. How you feeling on there, Jim?
The chillest tune.
Show us how chill it is. Yeah, no helmet, no gloves. But look, I'm keeping both hands on the handlebars. That's my new personal rule. He's going off-road on the full suspension. I like this hardtail. I was inspired to build this bike. Wow, it feels so good. After riding the Handleworks Super 73, which I took on the highway, and I thought, man, these powerful hub bikes with the full twist throttle is nice. It feels so good. To be very respectful as I pass pedestrians. Look at Parker ripping in the dirt. The hardtail's nice for the wheelies, but if you want to go in the dirt, you're going to want the Ace with the full suspension. The Ranger's new with the hardtail. People like the hardtail. I like it too if you're just cruising on something flat. I made a miraculous recovery from that crash. I'm really lucky how it all turned out. There was one complication, and I'm still dealing with it. My left knee, which had the worst road rash, just stayed raw. 15 days. It was oozing Nickelodeon slime. I had a fever. I can wheelie the hell out of this. So he prescribed me, the doctor, 2 types of antibiotics. They're already working really well. I'm no longer sick. It's my first time back on the bike. Both hands on the bars. This is a really nice place to ride. I would only come here on a bike like this, an invisible bike. I don't have health insurance. My health insurance lapsed October 2025. Be about $10,000 to reinstate, and then $1,000 every month for health insurance for the rest of my life. So I was doing some math. If I'm alive another 60 years and I pay $1,000 every month, $720,000 in health insurance that I'll pay by the time I die. It can deviate, but the average cost of getting cancer in America is $150,000. I could survive cancer 4 times and buy a BMW M4 Competition X-Drive with carbon bucket seats, carbon roof, and still have dollars left instead of getting insurance. So I'm trying to see, like, is insurance a scam? Because the math is not adding up at all. This bike is phenomenal. This is my bike. I'm keeping this bike. I was inspired by the last time I came to Handleworks and tested their bikes out, and I said, I need one myself. It's exactly what I wanted. Who knows what's in here? Oh yeah, I have a light.
Don't use brakes in the water. Like, literally, do not brake.
Little death tunnel action. It's a little wet. He's saying it's a very slippery. Do not want to slip out. This is such a cool spot, Parker. I've never seen something like this. It's all grates above. This is dope. It's not as claustrophobic as some other tunnels I've been in. Your helmet's so cool. Let me see your helmet. How did you do that?
I put hot glue on it.
Hot glue and then spray painted it?
And then I painted it.
You did write your name. Whoa, no fenders on here either, huh? That's like straight algae. Super slippery, slimy. It's like what my knee looked like. This is a top tier tunnel. I would rate this top. You get an electric skateboard. You lay down on the electric skateboard and see where that goes. I'm getting the tunnel bug. I want to start going. I want to go to Vegas, and the tunnels down there are supposed to be the craziest tunnels in America. Hey. The only reason I haven't gone to Vegas yet is because I'm waiting for the van, and I do have an update on the van chairs. I decided I'm not going to fall victim to the sunk cost fallacy, and I'm going to get new chairs. I gave up. Been waiting 8 months for the original chairs I bought. They were really nice chairs, but I don't think they're ever gonna get here. So I found a new spot. They're local, they're handmade. I'm actually getting them black with just red seat belts instead of the whole thing being red. I think it'll look really, really clean. And those should be done in 1 week. Once those chairs are done, the van is ready for them. We're gonna bolt them in the van and I can finally start using it. I mean, I haven't waited this long for something in pretty much my whole life. Maybe GTA 6. But damn, the GTA 6 is about to come out before the van. Talk about that. This is a really nice tunnel. Little death drop right here though. Oh, that's a good technique, Jim. There's one piece of foam in the Fox helmet right on my right temple. On my original helmet, I actually cut the foam out because it presses right on my head. It gives me a headache. And that's exactly where I hit my head. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna keep the foam in the helmet from now on and just deal with the headache, I guess. I'd love like a custom helmet. Does anyone do that? I want it to look just like this one, but the inside would be custom. That'd be nice. Yeah, Jim, come on. Dude, we are fast. These bikes, they don't look like it, but they are fast. I think this is the future of electric bikes, is upgraded invisible bikes. That is it. Take a bike that's street legal, it looks street legal, it gets treated street legal, just make it a little bit faster. Or maybe a little more than a little bit. And the hub motor with the full twist throttle is the best thing to wheelie of any bike I've ever wheelied. It's the best feeling. A close second might be a Razor MX 350 or 650. That bike also feels really, really nice to wheelie because it has a freewheel. There's something about this hub motor. You get that hub motor, you get the full twist throttle, and I mean, this is a really nice bike to ride. And this bike comes with Magura brakes, which are also quite nice. And I feel like I could just hold this up forever. Probably something like a Sur-Ron, very fun to wheelie. Feels more like a dirt bike, but you're nervous when you ride it. You're nervous about getting in trouble, cops called on you. This is not like that. This, you can just really enjoy the ride. Okay, Parker. Wow, the hardtail it's nice because it's more predictable when you wheelie it with the hardtail. The soft tail is actually harder, and the P51's got a very soft tail. The Ace, this is the same as the Ace. They just said, let's make it a hardtail, make it a little more affordable, and just happens to wheelie even better. But you want the extra power. The 29 miles per hour when you cut it is very nice, but this is a whole other game. Ah, it feels so good. I'm guessing this probably does 40 something miles an hour, which is plenty. Sure. Thanks, Jim. Thumb throttle. It's really powerful, right? All right, I'm on the Mini. Full throttle right now. What's the top speed? 30, 31. So this bike upgraded is the speed of the Ranger when you clip it. That's really interesting. It feels good, huh?
It feels solid.
Now I gotta find out the top speed on this. We're super low on the battery, but it'll give us some idea. Let's go, full throttle. Highest power mode. Very low battery, but it'll give us a decent idea of the top speed on this. This is my fastest invisible bike, and it's the fastest kit you can buy. We're going 37 miles an hour, 38. This thing's definitely gonna hit 40. We're fast as unbelievable. You can really keep up with traffic, and I think that makes it a safer bike. It's safer when you keep up with traffic. I'm passing it actually. Let's go, this thing is so sick. And I say this a lot, and I mean it every time. I wouldn't want this to go any faster. I think this is plenty. Hayden. What's up? Got a new bike. CRF 450X. Is it rude to ask a lady her age?
It came out the same year YouTube was invented, 2005.
No way! Say this is as old as YouTube, or as young as YouTube, 2005. I got my full size out here. I was actually going to take my white Varg so they'd match, but it ended up having no front brake and no chain, and I have no idea where those two went. I had the other Varg fully charged. This one's at 18, but it should be enough. We got it on the first kick.
First K?
Yeah. Ah, second does it. Third'll do it. Make it 4. 5's the magic number. Let's go. Let's see if I get it on first start. Yep. Let's see it. It sounds so good. No one's ever gonna say That doesn't sound better than an electric bike. That's sick. And we're basically the same size. We both have 17-inch supermotos. Let's race right here. 3, 2, 1, go. There we go. Oh. You got it.
We gonna give it 1 second.
You got it. Oh, he's fast! Whoa! Hella fast! That's a 20-year-old bike. Oh yeah, back on the big bike. Whee! Can he wheelie it? Oh! It's really cool because we went to high school together in Italy and we had 1 or 2 classes together. One of them was a computer class, and you know computer classes, this is one of the few classes you can just mess around with your friends. And that's where we met, and we would go on the computer and we'd look up Honda Groms. We were obsessed with the mini bikes. And it's really cool now that we're riding together a little later in our lives, but on big bikes. It's kind of a full circle moment.
Still gonna give it a low throttle.
Yeah.
Be easy with the clutch.
Boom, like that.
Up.
Clutch out. Okay.
Bro.
You just press that down button to get it started. You gotta find neutral. You gotta release the clutch. Like, it's so funny how different these are. But that's 20 years difference in tech. This thing's cool, dude. Thanks for letting me try it.
No, for sure. Carbureted, old school.
It's in neutral right now? Yeah.
Use your foot like a gangster.
Type.
Nice.
I keep hitting the clutch thinking it'll stop me, but it's not a brake. And I'm holding the clutch.
No, it doesn't
Oh,
matter.
I don't have to.
There you go.
Nice. Ooh. That thing's got some meat. One down for first. Like that much? I really don't want to stall it. It's super hard to get it back running again. All right, we're out. We're in first. Second. Whoa. Third. Whoa. That is sick. Shift down to first here. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just holding the clutch here. I'm sure it's the wrong thing. Hey. Wow! Unbelievable amount of power. It sounds so good. It's a feeling you don't get from the electric. Oh man. This thing is sick.
Nice clutch work.
Thank you.
Nice clutch work.
Wow! That's as fast as I'm gonna go. Oh, that I can't imagine that ever getting old. Tell me not to get a gas bike, please. Downshifting as I come up to this stop sign. I think that's what you're supposed to do. Here's a nice open road. Wow! It just... Unbelievable. I don't know if you're supposed to hold the clutch when you let off, but it just seems right. And then I can do this. Man, that was fucking awesome, dude.
You know what? You know what? I apologize. In the beginning, I was like, don't with the clutch, be easy on it, please don't hurt it. But you, bro, you could ride this You could ride this bike wherever you wanted. Every time we hit a stop sign, I was like, this is gonna be it. Did you have 2 fingers on the clutch?
I did.
Did you think that was easier?
Yeah, it felt great. This bike it's just got so much soul to it.
Watch what happens when I twist it.
Yeah. Makes a huge difference.
See?
Yeah.
You're taming literally like a campfire.
Yeah.
You have to keep giving it air. You gotta keep giving it fuel.
I know that was sketchy. His front. I know Ducati just came out with a Supermoto, and I mean, I can't help but want it just a little bit. That's funny, I just went for the foot brake. Ducati Desmo 450 Supermoto. Like, please tell me not to. Please.
In this video, we upgraded the new P51 Ranger, which is available on Ronster Rides. It's the newest, most affordable hardtail P51, which we upgraded with the Handleworks 72 volt 7 kilowatt upgrade kit with a full twist throttle. I think this is hard to beat. We hit a 5-star tunnel, had an exciting update on the van, and I am getting a little bit of a bug for the 450 while I warm back up to riding and filming and editing. I do it all myself. I love it, and I'm so happy I can continue this over 6-year streak of never missing a Saturday video. As always, thank you so much for watching until the end. And stay tuned.